Once the embryos are created, then those embryos are graded. So they will decide which ones are of better quality, which ones are of poorer quality. And at that moment, they will decide if they are going to keep all of those embryos or if they are going to discard them. Typically, when IVF happens, they can't place all of those embryos in at once. So say they were able to create 6 embryos. Of those 6, they will possibly implant 2 in that first cycle. Of those 2, they may just both pass away. They may take off like gangbusters, and they may even divide and create more embryos. So from those 2 embryos, there's a possibility that they may ultimately have 4 embryos in the mother's uterus, correct? Now, when that happens, the next step is the physicians will approach that mother and they will say, now you have an extremely high-risk pregnancy. And if you continue with 4 embryos growing in your uterus, now these develop and we'll see 4 heartbeats, they will say, at this point, we think it's best that you reduce. Reduce is just another word for abort. So now this couple who has so desperately desired a pregnancy, so desperately desired to be parents, they are now faced with a situation where they are being told by their physician that they need to abort for the safety of their children. That otherwise their children will have medical issues, their children will possibly not even survive, the mother's life will be put in danger. So the majority of the time, these women will choose to go ahead and reduce their pregnancies. And they're, in this way, participating in abortion.